All right, guys, Doug from Salt Lake. It is February 17th. It's Sunday night, 6:30. Let me give you a quick rundown of what I've been doing lately. We got a lot of stuff to go over. This is going to be one of two, but I just wanted to show you what's going on. If you guys are trying to get out of the system, or you're tired of the system, like I am, there is a remedy. Now, this right here is part of it. And we're going to go through this real quick and let you know what I've been doing. So let's begin here. So, declaration of trust. Is there a trust? Yes, there is. It's your all capitalized name. Meet your straw man. Okay? So, I have declared a trust. That's page 3, that's 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Okay, there's my declaration. And sign and date, thumbprint. There's a couple of people that witnessed that I declared that that is a trust, and I am starting a trust. You have minutes of a trust. You have other people that are the second agent. Okay, she's actually the secretary. That's my girlfriend. We set the trust up. We got an EIN number. We'll go into that later. Okay, this is some of the paperwork that you will get if you decide to do this with the guy that I'm going to tell you about. You have myself. I have accepted being the trustee of this trust. And there's the second trustee. There's a hold harmless indemnity agreement. Here's identification when it was created. Some other stuff I need to fill out. There's a bill of sale. There's registry of trust certificates. I'm going to put my son in as a beneficiary of the trust. And then what is in the trust right now? I've got one Morgan silver dollar. Okay? And then I've got room for all my other stuff, which we'll go in later. Okay? This is just a bond. Okay? Deed of transfer for a certificate. This is 001. This is going to Nicholas. He has 25% of my trust right now. There is a security agreement. You'll see right there. This is 14 pages long. We're not going to go through all this, but it just goes into huge detail, man, about what's in the trust. All assets, all computers, all office equipment, all musical, manuscripts, books, records, everything. Minerals, mind, spirit, body, keys, locks. What's this? All court cases, library cards, documents, all inheritances. Okay? This is only page 9 of 14. What do we got here? All food, wedding bands, businesses, packages, just everything. Everything that you can think of. My couch, my cat, everything is in my trust. Okay? How you breach the contract, miscellaneous provisions. Okay? This is all part of the security agreement. Okay? Signed and dated. The trust signed it. I signed it. Okay, here's the security agreement. Last page that's been notarized. Notice of lien. Okay, there's the birth certificate. I'm not going to show you that. There it is. Okay, here's the Internal Revenue. Okay, so he went after an EIN number. Okay, there's the second page. Says it's all good. That's for the trust. Here's the UCC financing statement. Here's the collateral. Here's another page of collateral. And the secured party must be satisfied upon dishonor. Settlement agreement, certified check, certified documents of claim. Okay? So if you do a UCC 1 you are a secured party and you are the first in line. Okay? If there's any questions, you come to the secured party, right? There's some more documentation about who's getting what. Here's all the numbers. Okay? We've got Washington, D.C., Secretary of Treasury, Puerto Rico. Okay? Enterprise Computing Center, that's IRS. Notification, Secretary of State, California, where I was born and where I live. Okay? Everybody's on notice. Okay? This is the collateral description. Here's my hold harmless. Here's my copyright notice. Okay? It's my name. I just didn't know it. So now I'm taking possession of it. There it is. Took possession of it. Okay? If you use my all caps name, trust name, without my permission, it's $500,000. Here's my fiduciary relationship with Steve Mnuchin. Okay? Here's the one with Raul Maldonado in Puerto Rico. Okay? Basically, a fiduciary relationship is just another trustee. He's the guy that's going to help me out with my money. Okay? Because there is no money, remember? Okay. Here's my tax withholding for a trust. Okay? That's all signed and dated. Okay, there's my affidavit. Says that I'm the legal trustee for this trust. Here's my bond. Here's my other stuff. Accepted for value. Here's my legal notice and demand. Okay, this is what I'm going to go over. This is one of two. So I will go over this with you. This is redonkulous. Okay, you'll love it. And then there is, what is there? 8 pages of attachments, definitions, so that there's no discrepancies. Well, I didn't know that's what it meant. Okay, here's a public servant questionnaire that they fill out. If they think I'm a U.S. slave, they better check themselves. Here's a couple of notices of record for state of California. There's for the IRS. There's for Steve Mnuchin. And there's a cover letter. And one for Puerto Rico. Now, before I just blur through that, this is only going to be a 10-minute video. What you got to realize is that I am doing this because I have come to the conclusion that I have been going at this all wrong. Okay? There are so many people out there and so many books and so many things that you can read and download and watch. You know, I'm going to take you over here just real quick. Okay, where am I going to go here? All right, just bear with me. So we're going to do this on the next video. I'm going to take you through this legal notice and demand. And so anyway, that's the book. That's what we're dealing with. And I've only been going at this for 2 weeks. There's hundreds of pages. It's all done. Very nice. I'm going to give a big shout out to the person that pointed me in the right direction on the next video. So again, this is one of two. Stay tuned. We'll go through this legal notice.